Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. Full phone specifications. Display type: AMOLED, 90 Hz, HDR10 Plus, 500 nits. Screen size: 6.55 inches, 105.3 centimeters to 90.1% screen-to-body ratio. Display resolution: 1080 x 2340 pixels, 19.59 ratio. Protection: Corning Gorilla Glass. Operating system: Android 11, ColorOS 11. Chipset: MediaTek MT6889Z Dimensity 1000 Plus. Oppo Octa-core. RAM: 8GB RAM, 12GB RAM. Storage: 128GB, 256GB. Main camera: 64MP wide, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth. Selfie camera: 32MP f2.4, 26mm wide. Video recording: 4K at 30fps, 1080p. Sensors: fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Battery: LiPo 4300 mAh, non-removable. Fast charging: 65W. Weight: 175 grams. Oppo Mali G77MC9. USB Type-C 3.1, USB on the go. Loudspeaker: yes, with stereo speakers. Bluetooth 5.1, A2DP, LAX HD. 5G network: yes. NFC: yes. No card slot, no water resistant, no 3.5mm jack. Thank you for watching.